here we go. We're at the periscope. Got to get all our gear on. And then we'll get out there and start pulling. All right. What's nice here is they have an electronic gauge that tells you how much is in the tanks. Just saves you a little bit of hassle. We are going to go here, climb over, and we're going to hook up. You got to make sure you always close these Getty boxes. They don't like it if they freeze, you get in big trouble. Then we'll close your little valve here, make sure you close. Then we'll open ours up here, the big one, and the water's already going in. Then we'll go check our height. Close our valve. Alright, we are filling up. Let's go check and see what the levels are real quick. Pretty high, but there's a lot of tanks, so